You see, when you not doing the eyebrow, them not supposed to have no box, no line, no for dead. Brush them up, brush out the front and make it look natural. Please, me I beg you, me 8 seat. Me 8 seat, me I beg you now. Take the time, brush out the front. Stop draw the line. You see line did there? Line look like it did there? Your natural road them have line? Stop it. Please.
Top girl. Too nice for full of man problem.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So from the title down below, you see that I'll be basically beating my face or trying to beat my face. I haven't done makeup in so long. I'm no makeup artist, but I can go on with a little thing. So I'm going with a little thing today. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all socials at Chesouye. And yeah. So before we get into this video, I would just like to announce that. So I'm gonna start by combing my brows with my spoolie. Yeah, so I am the brand ambassador for a company in Canada called VagikiniMagic. It's a yoni wellness vegan brand. So they have products such as brightening serum for your bikini line. They have a papaya soap for your bikini line. So they do all things vaginal. Okay, so check them out. When you're ordering, use my code in the description box. I'm gonna put it on the screen. $5 off. So yeah, I'm just combing my brows. Concealer. This is LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade, I'm almost sure it's Warm Honey. This is not the correct brush, but this is what I'm using. You see, when you're not doing the eyebrow, them not supposed to have no box, no line, no for dead. Brush them up, brush out the front and make it look natural. Please, me I beg you, me 8 seat. Me 8 seat, me I beg you now. Take the time, brush out the front. Stop draw the line. You see line did there? Line look like it did there? Your natural road them have line? Stop it. Please. I'm now gonna move to my eyes. I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty palette. That's that. Anyway, I'm gonna do my eyeshadow off camera and I'm gonna come back and do my foundation, highlights, and my lip on camera. So see you soon. So I went ahead and added my lashes, do my mascara. I'm gonna move on to foundation. Fit Me Matte and Poreless. You see, the key to good makeup anywhere, whether on your eye, on your face, or on your lip, is blending. You have to blend. If you're not blend and take the time for blend, it's not gonna come out how you want it. Then I go in with my beauty blender, okay? If you think the blend that you're using works better than fit me, comment it down below, because I think I wanna change. I wanna use something else. Not that I have a problem with it, it's hot. If you know what I'm saying, it's hot. I don't think it's for we live in a tropical, but that's just what I'm saying. So alright, so this is my contour palette. Got it from Amazon. So this is me no want no crease. So gonna go in with my NYX liquid suede cream lipstick. Me love this bag. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10. I've had it a while. Where this look, right? Alright, so tell me, how much sprays are too much before you stop spraying? Because I don't know, but that's why I know. Comment down below and tell me. So this is the final look, low light. So this is the final look.
Pretty young, not only look